In this question, you have to identify how many plants among Indigofera, Sesbania, Salvinia, Allium, aloe, mustard, groundnut, radish, gram, and turnip have stamens with different lengths in their flowers. Now, among the given plants, Salvinia has didynamous stamens, that is, there are four stamens in two pairs of different lengths, while mustard, radish, and turnip has tetradynamous stamens, that is, the flower contains six stamens, out of which four are longer and the rest is shorter. So, these four flowers have stamens of different lengths. The rest, like Indigofera, Sesbania, Allium, aloe, groundnut, gram, have stamens of uniform length. Hence, the correct answer is option D, that is, four plants exhibit stamens of different lengths.